Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I know it's probably dark over here because I'm moved back away from the stove, but tonight we are going to make some roasted vegetable soup. I have my vegetables from when I roasted chicken and vegetables last night. I have a garlic clove. I have some chicken broth, and I have my whizzer here. You can use a blender, whatever you have. I've got arrayas in the oven. I'm frying eggplant, and I'm gonna make this soup. So I have a pot getting warm on the stove so we can heat this up, and this is potatoes, sweet potatoes, carrots, cipollini, onion. You can roast any kind of onion, and that's an easy dinner. You just throw all your chicken pieces or your spatchcock chicken or whatever, some olive oil, season it with your favorite seasonings, Lawry's, whatever, garlic, and then take all your chopped up vegetables. I've used butternut squash, potatoes, carrots, whatever I have. Toss them in some olive oil, salt and pepper, and throw that all together on a cooking sheet with the chicken. Makes the veggies taste wonderful. I'm going to throw my garlic clove in there. I'm going to add some chicken broth. And you do this to your desired consistency, and then put it in the pan to heat up, and at the end just add some cream, half and half, milk, evaporated milk, any kind of milk or cream or whatever you have. You may need to add more liquid to get it nice and creamy. A blender works really well. So I'm going to get this nice and creamy so you don't have to listen to that. Okay, so that's what it looks like right now. So I'm going to move it to the pan over there. You over here, so we have that in our pan. Add some, I don't have any in there, salt and pepper, to your taste. You could add some sage or thyme or rosemary. Make it to the thickness that you want. And just heat it up. It's that easy. So you could actually roast you some vegetables, throw them in a blender with some chicken broth, add whatever herbs you want. With root vegetables, thyme is good, rosemary is good, sage is good, or just salt and pepper. It's the best soup. Heat it up, and then at the end we will add some milk. So I'll be back when it's hot. Okay, it's hot. We're going to add some milk. And it's done. Just taste for seasoning. You can add some of that Knorr bouillon powder just to bump up the chickeniness. So we will taste it. I'm splattering it everywhere. And our dinner is ready. We have eggplant, we have our arrayas, some olives. I'm trying to get the olive oil to loosen up on the olives. They were in the refrigerator. They're marinated Greek olives. All I hear is fire trucks and ambulances anymore. So yummy. So there it is, you guys. Let's make a plate. Plop, plop. Makes me wonder if it's from that medicine, if you know what I mean. There's dinner. Let's get our soup. Get some croutons. My handy dandy everything ladle. You could sprinkle some sage, herbs, whatever you want. There we go. That is dinner. I can't even get it all in frame. So super easy. Just wanted to share that soup. You can do it with any root vegetables. Just roast them up, add some broth, finish it with some kind of milky stuff, and season it however you like. So I hope you all are doing well. We have severe weather coming this week, so be prepared. And yeah, you take care, you stay safe, you stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.